Good evening. So Raga here. Let me just share my screen. So just want to start on a lighter note. Let's get into cooking, right? So let's say if you watched a cooking show, right? What happens typically is that all the ingredients are prepped, and then the kitchen setup is ready, and what you see is that the host dives into cooking as soon as the show starts, right? But the real story is actually very different, at least for me, right? So I have to do so many other things that we have to do before we can actually get into cooking, like some of those things that I mentioned there, right? So if you see on a day-to-day basis, a developer's life isn't too different, a software developer's life. So a software developer needs to do all or most of these actions before he or she can get into code, right? So this installation of tools, packages, softwares, configurations, handling dependency conflicts, and so many other things as a software developer that one needs to do, before you can dive into code, right? And this is a very cumbersome process, and this takes a lot of time. So, I mean, some snapshots of the whole problem here. So you see people asking on forums as well, like, why are dependency conflicts killing my time, and why am I spending more time installing software rather than coding, right? And there's so many other allied issues, right? When it comes to open source, when you've used open source in an organization, there's so much that you've got to take care of, like vulnerability analysis and so many other things, right? That's the problem we're trying to solve here. We're trying to help the developers get right into code within minutes. So the way we do that is okay. So the problem again, right? So the way we do that is we're a platform where we offer setup free, pre-configured, and code ready workspaces for every coder, and enabling them to jump right into code. So what you have on our platform is a set of a marketplace of workspaces, if you want to call it that way, where you can choose a tech stack of your choice. So be it a React environment or a Django environment, if in case of web development, or a data science environment used for machine learning and deep learning and what have you. So we have various on our platform, and develop a tech stack, enter your workspace details, and then open the workspace on the browser, right? So we're not just another cloud IDE. We have a full-fledged desktop that's rendered in your browser, and that's pre-configured, pre-installed, and set up with the whole tech stack, right? So this is what we offer on our platform.